Okay, guys, it's time to statistic class. I'm gonna show you a video before the explanation because we are gonna continue calculating perimeters, but it's important that you know what is that, okay? Let's see this video. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. It's so short, huh? We are not gonna see all the video, okay?
Welcome to Learning More. Today we are thinking about answering the question, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional or 2D shape. If you imagine a garden, perimeter is the fencing that goes around the garden.
For example, here we want to know what is the perimeter of this. Okay, can you see what shape is this? It's a rectangle, right? It's a two-dimensional shape.
To calculate perimeter, you basically add up the length of all the sides. Here are some examples for you. A rectangle. The perimeter of this rectangle is 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3, which equals 20. The perimeter of this regular pentagon is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
Remember that we have to add all the sides. Here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, guys, it is better if we say 3 times 5, no? Or 5 times 3. Yes, it's better. It's better to say in that way.
Which is the same as 5 times 3, which equals 15. The perimeter of a circle is called the circumference.
Okay, so that's it. Now, let's go, guys, to some examples. Pay attention. Okay, guys, this is a rectangular. Guys, is the rectangular irregular or regular? Look at this, different numbers, it's irregular. So we have to add all the sides to know the perimeter, so easy. So I have to add a plus 4 plus a plus 4 equals to, okay, a plus 4, 12. 12 plus a, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. This is the perimeter of this shape. Now, I'm gonna do other example. Now we have here a pentagon. Is the pentagon regular or irregular? Okay, here, this shape is regular because, pay attention, there are pentagons that are irregular with different sides. But here, we can see that is so regular because it has 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so how to do? What is the perimeter? Okay, let's add all the sides. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, I was tired to write 4 and 4 and 4. So what is the other way to write faster? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times 4 is the same. It's better if I write in this way because it's quickly. So 5 by 4 is 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Okay, let's do it with some. 5 plus 4, sorry, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20. So 5 by 4 is 20. 5 por 4 is igual a 20. Okay, so this is the perimeter. This is the perimeter of this shape. Okay, now let's continue with the book. Okay, let's go to 100 to page 154. Guys, in the point number 1, it's easy because you have to take the ruler to measure the shapes. There are 4 rectangles. There are 4 rectangles. Please take your ruler and you have to measure the rectangles that are on the book, okay? Vas a medir los rectángulos que están en el libro. No importa si mide nada más 2 centímetros, no importa. The important thing is you measure and you are gonna find the perimeter, okay? Now, we're gonna continue with the next point because this is easy, okay? Okay, guys, now, let's go to the second point. Look at this, floor tiles, baldosas, cost $25 per square meter, okay? This is just like an example, okay? Here I have letter A. There are 3 letters, A, B, and C. But here we have this room. This is room number 1. Imagine that this is my bedroom, okay? Imagine that this is my bedroom. I have 5 meters long and 3 meters wide. So, the first thing that you are gonna do is, you are gonna calculate the area. How you calculate the area? Remember, 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Right? 5 by 3 equals to 15. Okay, now very good. Now we need to know how I'm gonna take in money, because I don't know, is here. I know, okay, I have 15, but it costs 25. So I have to multiply 25 by 15, huh? By 15. So let's do it. Remember that when we have a multiplication, this is a multiplicand and this is the multiplier, okay? In the multiplier, there are 2 numbers, 15. We are gonna start with the number 5. Remember, the number 5 multiplies 5 and then multiplies 2, okay? That is the first step. Okay, first 5 times 5, 25. Let's carry 2 in this 2, okay? So now 5 with this 5, huh? 25 now. This 5 with this 2, huh? 5 by 2 equals 10. Ah, but I was forgetting the number 2. Entonces, 10 plus 2, 12. Very good. Now, second step. We're going to continue with the number 1. Remember, the number 1 here is at 10. And the number 5 is a unit. Recuerda, chicos, que aquí, como puedes ver, el 5 es la unidad y el 1 es una decena. Realmente es 10. What is the biggest number? ¿Cuál número es mayor? 10 or 5? 10. So that's why this second number that I'm going to write here, it should be bigger. Por eso es que este número debe ser más grande. ¿Y qué le hacemos? Le añadimos un 0 acá, porque recuerda que es 10, is 10. Entonces colocamos el 0 acá. Okay? Now let's continue. 1 by 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. Okay. Now, what is the operation, the calculation? The addition. I'm going to put this sign here. 5 by 5 plus 0. Plus 0, no by 0. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. What is the cost? What is the cost? Here you have $375. Now let's go to the second, with the second exercise. Okay, guys, now let's continue with letter C, okay? Because this is a little more difficult, but we are going to continue with room number 3. Imagine the room number 3 is my dining room, okay? Imagine. I need to buy I need to buy floor tiles. Necesito comprar baldosas. It costs 25 per square meter. And my dining room measures 4 meters long and 2.5 on wide. Okay, so what I'm gonna do? Miss Dina, that is fraction. Yes, okay. And how do you represent this in decimal? 1.2 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Do you remember this? Maybe with the last teachers you saw, but I'm recalling you. 1/2, un medio, es igual a 0.5, okay? Now, if I'm talking about 2.5 is 2.5. So, what I'm gonna do? Multiply, okay? What are you gonna multiply? Okay, 2.5, okay, by 4. So it's the same. Let's do a multiplication, commonly multiplication. 4 times 5 equals 20. So let's put this 2 here, 2 here. Now, 4 by 2, 8. Very good. Plus 2, 10. Very good. Now, pay attention where I'm gonna put the point. Remember that you have to count to the right. How many spaces? 1, just 1. So here you have to count to the left. Here. So where is the point? Here. The point is here. So let's do the point. 10.0. So that is actually 10, okay? That means that is 10. Eso significa que es igual a 10. Okay? Now, pay attention. Now, remember that we have the result. The product is 10. So we are gonna work on that calculation. 25 by 10. This is so easy. I'm not gonna tell you. 0 by 5, 0. 0 by 2, 0. Remember here, this is a 10. 0 here. 1 by 5, 5. 1 by 2, 2. So easy. So what is it? The cost. The cost is $250. So you have to do the next you alone, okay? Do it you alone. Bye.